Morocco. The fascinating North African kingdom is a land where history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes blend together in remarkable ways. Located between the Atlantic Ocean and the vast Sahara Desert, Morocco has long been a meeting point of civilizations. Over centuries, Amazigh traditions mixed with Arab heritage. Andalusian influences and later European elements, creating a culture that is rich, vibrant, and unique. From colorful markets and ancient cities to stunning mountains and deserts, Morocco offers a journey into a world where the past still lives in the present. Among Morocco's many historic cities, Fez stands out as one of the most fascinating and culturally rich places in the entire country. Founded more than 1,000 years ago, Fez is often considered the spiritual and intellectual heart of Morocco. When European travelers and scholars first encountered Fez, they were astonished by its complexity and beauty. The city is famous for its preserved medieval architecture, traditional crafts, and a lifestyle that has remained almost unchanged for centuries. Life here moves at a slower pace than in many modern cities, yet it carries a strong sense of community and heritage. During the early 20th century, Morocco came under the control of the French protectorate in Morocco beginning in 1912. Under French colonial rule, a new European-style district called Ville Nouvelle was built with wide boulevards, modern infrastructure, and colonial architecture. Yet, unlike many historic cities that were heavily altered, the ancient Medina of Fez remained largely intact, preserving its Islamic character and traditional lifestyle. While modern Morocco continues to grow and change, Fez remains a place where ancient knowledge, living culture, and daily life exist side by side. At the center of this historic city lies Fes el Bali, the old city of Fez, built in the 9th century. This ancient Medina is one of the largest and best preserved medieval cities in the world. Walking through Fes el Bali feels like stepping back in time. The Medina contains more than 9,000 narrow alleys and winding streets, forming a labyrinth that can easily confuse first-time visitors. What makes this place even more unique is that cars are not allowed inside the old city. Instead, the streets are filled with pedestrians, travelers exploring the historic paths, and workers transporting goods using traditional carts or donkeys. As you walk deeper into the Medina, you will discover one of the most remarkable institutions in human history. Here stands University of Al-Quaraouiyine, widely recognized as the oldest continuously operating university in the world. It was founded in 859 AD by a visionary Muslim woman named Fatima al-Fihri.
This is in the University Quaraouiyine. This other university and the Mosque Andalus.
Fatima came from a wealthy merchant family. After the death of her father, she inherited a large fortune. Instead of using this wealth for personal luxury, she chose to dedicate it to something far greater, the pursuit of knowledge and the benefit of society. For centuries, this institution became a major center of Islamic scholarship and intellectual exchange. Scholars from across North Africa, the Middle East, and even Europe came here to study subjects such as theology, mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. Among those associated with this institution were the famous historian Ibn Khaldun, the renowned Jewish philosopher Maimonides, and the legendary traveler Ibn Battuta. Another iconic site that captures the spirit of Fez is the famous Chouara Tannery. This traditional leather tannery has operated for hundreds of years using techniques that have hardly changed since medieval times. From the terraces above, visitors can see dozens of colorful stone vats filled with natural dyes. Workers carefully treat and dye animal skins by hand, producing the beautiful leather goods that Morocco is famous for. The process is intense and labor-intensive, but it remains one of the most authentic traditional industries still alive today. At the entrance of the old city stands one of Fez's most recognizable landmarks, the magnificent Bab Bou Jalaud, often called the Blue Gate. This grand entrance welcomes visitors into the historic Medina. Its beautiful blue and green mosaics reflect the artistic traditions of Moroccan architecture and create a stunning gateway into the city's ancient streets. Not far from the gate, visitors can admire one of the most beautiful Islamic schools in Morocco, the Al-Ladari Madrasa. Built in the 14th century, this madrasa is a masterpiece of Moroccan craftsmanship. Its walls are decorated with intricate zellige tiles, carved cedar wood, and elegant Arabic calligraphy. These madrasas were once centers of education where students studied Islamic sciences and lived within the peaceful courtyards. Beyond the monuments and historic buildings, the true soul of Fez can be found in its traditional souks, the lively markets inside the Medina. These vibrant markets are filled with colors, sounds, and aromas. Vendors sell handmade carpets, brass lanterns, ceramics, spices, traditional clothing, and finely crafted leather goods. Walking through the souk is an unforgettable experience where every corner reveals something new, from artisans shaping metal by hand to merchants carefully displaying their products. Fez is more than just a historic destination. It is a living museum, a cultural crossroads, and a place where centuries-old traditions continue to shape everyday life. In every narrow alley, every artisan workshop, and every historic monument, the story of Morocco unfolds.